Are you tired of wasting time online with no real results? What if I told you there's a way to make up to $2,000 a day just using Google? Stick around and I'll show you the exact method in this step-by-step tutorial. Imagine making serious cash without creating your own website, experience, skills, or upfront investment. With just a simple trick, you can leverage Google to find great leads and turn them into profits. From targeting anyone you want and pitching high-ticket items, there are a lot of opportunities waiting for you. And why settle for a traditional job for years and years to come when you can retire earlier by leveraging the potential of Google and earning big bucks? By following this step-by-step guide, you'll discover a foolproof way to generate income online, even if you're starting from scratch. Don't miss out on your chance to join the top 1% who take action right now. The competition might seem hard and challenging, but with dedication and focus, you'll stand out from those guys distracted from watching some memes online. First things first, go over to google.com, just like you normally would. Now, here's a common mistake beginners often make. They start searching for different businesses worldwide and then shoot off emails left and right. But hold up, there's a smarter way to do this that saves you tons of time and energy. Instead of manually searching emails for each business, you can use software tools called lead scrapers. These bad boys do the heavy lifting for you with just a click of a button. Sounds sweet, right? So, there are a couple of options for these lead scrapers. You've got the Auto Scraper or the Instant Data Scraper Chrome extension. Don't worry, I'll drop the links for these in the description below. Once you've signed up for one of these tools, it's time to get down to business. Let's say you want to target university professors in the US. Easy peasy. You can narrow down your search by selecting the professor category and specifying your location preferences. Then, hit that Get Data button and watch the magic happen. Boom! You've got a bunch of leads ready to go. But hold your horses, we don't need all 40,000 of them. That'd be way too much and way too pricey. Let's reel it in a bit. Maybe just 10 leads for now? Sounds more manageable. Once you've got your leads, it's time to reach out. But wait, before you hit send, remember to tailor your message to each recipient. You don't want to send a generic email that screams mass spam. Personalize it a bit, mention their name if you found it, and make it feel like you're talking to them directly. For example, if you found Prof. Smith's email, you might start your email with, "Hey, Prof. Smith," instead of a generic hello. It's those little touches that can make a big difference. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can spice up your email by adding some flair, like a video or a dream outcome related to your offer. Let's say you're targeting business coaches and you're promoting a course on scaling their business. And you could engage them with a dream of going from $10,000 a month to a cool $1 million. Intriguing, right? But here's a reality check. Not everyone you email is going to respond, and that's totally okay. You don't need a flood of responses to hit your goals. Just a handful of interested folks that can lead you to big bucks if you've got the right offer. And speaking of offers, that leads us to the next step. So now you're at that point where you need to pick the right thing to sell. There are two main routes you can take. You can either create your own offer or team up with someone else and promote their offer. Let's break it down. First off, you could make your own thing to sell. If that sounds like your thing, there's a cool community I know where you can grab tons of helpful resources. Just hop over there and check out the tools and resources section. It's totally free, by the way. Inside you'll find all sorts of goodies like scripts and list of offers you can promote. But what's really cool is this personal branding blueprint. It's like a step-by-step guide to help you craft your very own offer. With your own offer, you can charge more and make bigger bucks compared to just selling someone else's stuff. But hey, if you're not keen on building your own thing from scratch, no sweat. You can join an affiliate network instead. There's one called Partner Stack that's pretty cool. They hook you up on all sorts of software companies to promote. These companies might offer stuff that helps people with their websites or gets them ranking higher on Google. And here's the cool thing. You can earn a huge amount, like $100 a month or per person who signs up through your link. Easy money, right? Another option is to become an affiliate for high-ticket items. You know, the kind of stuff that costs big bucks. Check out this site called onlybusinessacademy.com/affiliate. They've got loads of products and services in the online business world. And these are the big guns, the high-ticket items that can bring in serious cash. And guess what? You can find a list of top 50 recurring affiliate programs in that free community I just mentioned earlier. So, you could be raking in cash on the regular without lifting a finger. Now here's an important tip. When you're ready to pitch your offer, don't just toss your affiliate link at them like a rookie move. Instead, make a short video explaining why your offer can solve their problem. Show them how it can help them achieve their goals, whether it's dominating Google or stacking up clients. And you can easily make these videos using a free tool called Loom. It lets you record your screen and yourself talking at the same time. It's like having a virtual face-to-face chat with your potential customers. Once you've got your video ready, don't just send them the link and cross your fingers. Nope, that's not the winning move. Instead, suggest that they book a call with you to chat more. This personal touch goes a long way, especially if you're selling a high-ticket item. Use something like Calendly or Google Meet to set up those calls, and you're good to go. This approach might feel a bit like cold calling, but trust me, it's way more effective. Folks are pulling in serious cash using this exact strategy every single day. Now, if all this talk about calls and videos sound like too much of a hassle for you, you can always take the easy route and just sling off your affiliate links around. Sure, you might make some sales that way, but it won't be as sweet as if you put in the extra effort. So remember, find a product to sell, make a killer Loom video explaining why it's awesome, and then either get them to book a call or send them your affiliate link. So you've probably heard about the Online Business Club by Dave Nick, right? Well, inside this club, there's a whole bunch of people making some serious cash in all sorts of ways. And they're not just keeping their secrets to themselves either. They're sharing their know-how with everyone else in the club. Here's the deal. Inside the club, they have a ton of different ways to make money online. They brought in experts from all kinds of industries to spill the beans on how they rake in the dough. Now, getting in this club isn't free, but trust me, it's worth it. They cover everything from affiliate networks to selling digital products, making money on YouTube, TikTok, Google, Amazon, you name it. If there's a way to make money online, someone in the club knows about it and is willing to spill the beans. Now, I get it. Joining a club like this might sound pricey, but here's the kicker. Once you're in for life. No ongoing fees or hidden costs, just pure value. But hey, if you're not ready to shell out any cash yet, that's cool too, because they have this free community where you can get some basic knowledge and talk with other folks in the business. So whether you're ready to invest or just curious to learn, they have something for everyone. By leveraging Google and the strategies outlined in this tutorial, you have the potential to generate significant income online. Remember, personalization is key when reaching out to leads, and don't be discouraged by non-responses. Stay focused, take action, and you'll soon be on your way to joining the ranks of successful online entrepreneurs. Start your journey to earning $2,000 a day with Google. See you in the next video.